Hey YouTube, I'm Mike, the Rambling He-Witch, and today we're going to finish my elemental series with the element of water. So, the element of water for me is the element of compassion. It's always been a source of healing and rejuvenation. The element of water is associated with emotion, intuition, purification, beauty, healing, dreams, and peace. The color of water is blue, which is the color of the oceans. The direction of water is west, and its season is autumn, the season when nature begins to cool down after summer and becomes a little bit more serene. In Wicca, the altar tools that represent water best are the Cauldron and the Chalice. So if you're trying to represent the element of water on your altar, a good way to go is to just grab some water from the tap. You can also use coral and seashells, which are representative of the ocean, and you can also use mirrors. Mirrors are symbolic of water because in the earliest days, before we used polished glass, we used the surfaces of lakes and ponds and puddles to look at our own reflections. Good examples of water magic include sea and river magic. When I was little, I would vacation down at the shore with my sisters, and we would make wishes on seashells and then throw them into the waves. You can also take ritual baths. You can use bath salts or special soap or special oils or even a special bath bomb that you really like and use it to bless your bath water with any kind of spiritual properties. You can also use water magic to create your own holy water. What you do is you take some salt. I prefer sea salt, but any type of salt is fine. Put just a dash of salt in the water. You're gonna stir the water with your finger. I like to imagine a white light coming out of my finger and being mixed into the water. And I say, Goddess of the salty sea, this holy water is blessed by thee. Once the water is blessed, you can use it for things like healing, purification, and protection, either by washing with it or by sprinkling it around your house or sacred space. The element of water also rules over mirror magic. Mirrors are used in witchcraft and Wicca to deflect energy that has been sent your way, and you can also use mirrors to tap into your psychic abilities through scrying. Scrying is the art of gazing at reflective surfaces to see the future and other events. So you can use a mirror for scrying, or you can use a bowl of water. So you could even use a body of natural water, which is what we're about to do right now. So scrying is typically very simple. What you're going to do is you're going to focus your gaze in the center of whatever reflective surface you're using, like this mirror or this river. You're going to relax your mind, relax your eyes. You're going to practice meditative breathing in order to get you in the proper state of mind. I like to use this river to scry because it helps to focus on the sound of the running water. I also like to use this chant to help me tap into my own psychic muscle. I'll say, mind to spirit, river to sea, bless my third eye, and help me to see. After a couple of minutes of gazing into the water, I'll start to make out shapes and impressions on the surface. Sometimes these images are memories, other times they are present or future events. It really helps to set your intention before you scry and actually ask a question. Once you feel like you've gotten the information that you need, you can bring your breathing back to normal and thank the element of water for guiding your intuition. Remember folks, the key to scrying is to completely relax and let your mind wander. So, in my opinion, the best way to connect with the element of water is to play in the water, go swimming, jump into a puddle, dance in the rain, throw some water balloons. Water also has a great deal to do with dreams and the subconscious, so what you can do is start a dream journal. Keep a notebook by your bed, write about your dreams as soon as you wake up before you forget them. And when you're fully awake later on, you can interpret your dreams, find out what your subconscious is trying to tell you. Another thing you can do is make sure you're drinking enough water every day. The common recommendation is 8 glasses of water daily. What you can do is when you're about to drink a cup of water, you can put your intentions into it, intentions of health or confidence or peace of mind. And that's it for my elemental series. Thank you folks so much for watching. If you liked it, be sure to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or any topics you'd like to learn more about in the future, be sure to drop them in the comment section below. Thanks again and blessed be.